Hi, my name is Tony, and I'm an HVAC installer in the residential home services industry. To give you an idea if this is the right career for you, let me tell you about my day. I joined my company as an installation apprentice, and over time, I became a licensed HVAC installation technician. Now, I provide efficient and correct installations of heating and cooling systems. I keep a well-stocked and inventoried truck, and it's safety first while I'm driving and working. My number one priority is to consistently provide exceptional customer service to the homeowners I serve. You have to be ready to get a job ready and installed the same day. We don't want our customers to wait weeks for their new systems. It is a privilege that our customers invite me into their homes to do work. That's something I never forget. Success starts with me. Accuracy and accountability are my focus. I work hard to create lifelong customers who refer our company to friends and family. I know my work makes a difference. Plus, I get to show off the great work my installation team does each day. Also, I'm surrounded by awesome people. I work with the warehouse manager and the installation manager, and I help train installation apprentices. To keep things running smoothly, I make sure to complete a job quality checklist, and I take pictures of the great work I do. Training is a priority. I'm always focused on making sure my licenses are current, that I have EPA certification, and that I'm a master of installation and venting codes. I attend regular service meetings and weekly one-on-ones with my manager. I have tons of support, not only from my team, but also from Nexstar Network. If you don't know Nexstar, you should. They're a member-owned organization dedicated to contractor success. They provide us with networking opportunities, training, and leadership events. Because of them, we get to be the best in customer service, have more profit, and have happier employees. I can take customer service classes. These classes teach me how to educate customers on their buying decisions. There's also a training implementation program that I participate in so that I'm supported in what I learned during training once I'm back in the shop. I'm all the better because of this training, and so is my company. Only the best contractors belong to Nexstar Network, those with strong ethics and a sense of professional and social responsibility. In my role, it's important to bring more energy to the company than I take. If you're considering this role, consider this. I always present myself as a professional, especially to my customers, but also to my coworkers. I know my stuff. I build trust with my customers because I'm an expert, and I keep that trust because I put my customers' safety and comfort first. With each call I take, I follow a consistent procedure. It's called the service system, and it helps me truly understand my customers' needs, as well as explore solutions and solve their issues. I focus on quality. My customers need a properly installed system done right the first time. I set goals for myself, and I'm driven to achieve them. I take pride in the craftsmanship of my work. I want to be part of something bigger than just a job, to know that I'm in a place where I'm appreciated and where my work has a direct effect on the success of the company. That's what being an HVAC installer is all about. If this sounds like you, spend a little bit of time learning about the company. When you're ready, please follow the directions on the site to apply for this position. I wish you the best of luck on taking this next step in your career.